Just let you know, Krispy Kreme is American favorite donut shop. The line, I don't know how long, but let me show. This is the Krispy Kreme. They have this guard here that blocking people. So from here to the drive-through, maybe 20 car. But check it out here. This is Sears parking lot since the mall all closed. All this car parking here, all the way there. At least like maybe 50 or 60 in that circle around. So people are craving for the donuts and coffee. Maybe at least 100 plus car. Okay, so forget about it. We are not that crazy, but if we really do, we have to light up with these people. So my God, this is the guy that worked for Krispy Kreme. He had to make sure people go around. Oh no. And Starbucks the same thing. Starbucks like at least like 30 or 40 car in front of them. Chipotle also had long line. People direct drive through. Forget it. We just drive through to McDonald's. This is good business for drive through fast food. Let's get out here.